Oh, hey, what's going on, guys? So I'm just getting the engine back in here. This is the jail. And, okay, I'll rotate up. I haven't put the brace on here yet for the exhaust. I gotta find the little bar, the little arm for it. I don't know how to do it. If I can't find it, I might take one off of the my other jail right over there on the floor there. My BMW one. This one here, I don't know what's going on with it. Some sort of leak or some sort of whistle. And when it works just fine, but there's something wrong with it. I gotta figure it out. So it's another project. I got my flash engine here. I gotta redo. And let's see here. Okay. So anyways, this one here. Boom. That's done. I guess we can see if there's a fuel in there. Yes, we do. I see these TRX engines don't need to be primed, but I do it anyway. Why are they shutting up? Okay, so there's obviously something else going on here. I don't know why. Not shutting off. I'll plug the exhaust power. That's not right. That shouldn't be in there. I don't know why this is. Maybe this is the idle's up really, really high. That's probably exactly what that is. But at least I know the pull start's back to working. And the car runs. So just gotta tweak the needles on a little bit. So let's get this back together. Put the tire back on. What does those look like on there? That look pretty ridiculous in here, maybe. Where did I put that little cross wrench? Oh no. I lose the little cross wrench somehow. No, there it is. Okay, so guys, I don't know what jato body to use. I got a couple up on my wall up there, but I don't know which one to use. Let me show you. I got one of the original red bodies right here, one of the ones that are on the wall, or I got the sweet buggy, which looks really good on here with the power tires. And I thought it'd be kind of cool if I can reroute the exhaust to have it come out the back on an angle like this, like just like the old bug beetles did, the old dune buggy ones, kind of because that old nostalgia look, right? Or I have one of those Russian indestructible bodies. These things are nuts. So That looks alright on there too, but I like the look of that Beetle, if you ask me. This one's alright too, but I like that one the most, really. But the Beetle one looks pretty cool. But I don't know, guys. You tell me what you guys think in the comments below. In the meantime, I'll run a body on it in my next video if I before this gets up a little bit. Tell me what body you guys think looks the best on there. I personally like the look of this one. This lineup, but it doesn't break a hole, no. There we go. What is on? Well, anyway, yeah, you get the gist of it. But anyway. So, anyways, guys, thanks for joining me. You guys rock on. Thank you very much for supporting the channel. For those who have subscribed to the channel, if you haven't, make sure you hit that subscribe button with the notification bell on to get videos like this and more to come. I'm aiming to get at the end of the month. I'm gonna start doing unboxings of cars, even if for cars that are out and have been out for a while. It's all new to me. So, no, I gotta go. I got a phone call, guys. So, thanks for joining me. Bye, PRC. I'll see you in the next one.